What's up, everybody? Welcome back. A very long time, guys. A very long time. What is it, like a year and some change? A lot of things have happened to me over that time. A lot of things. For one, I got out of recruiting. Sorry if you guys can hear. That is my newborn daughter. She's not having it right now, if you guys can hear that. So I'm trying to be very quiet because my other two daughters are sleeping. I'm actually in my other daughter's room. I've turned her room into a grow room of all things right now. So got out of recruiting and I decided to go back to regular active duty, not AGR, even though they say it's the best kept secret in the Army. Hurrah. Not for me. I just couldn't really do it. I like that adventure, the kicking the indoor stuff, mission point to point. Anyway, went back active, changed my MOS, so I'm not driving big trucks. But yeah, when I deployed, as soon as I got there, I just got back. I was in another country, missed the whole growing season, all that stuff. So now I'm back, but the focus of my channel has changed because I don't really have that much time anymore like I used to. Really, like in 30 days from now, I'm gonna be going off again. I'm gonna be going to school. Kudos to not having anything else to do except work out on those days that there's nothing going on. Nobody trying to kill you or protest or throw rocks, any of that crazy stuff. But anyway, I want to talk to you guys, just let you know I am alive, I am safe, I'm good to go, I'm back for the most part. But anyway, I know that the focus of my channel is about gardening where you can't and doing things where you cannot on the military posts. Like, you can't dig on the military post. Like currently right now I'm at Fort Hood, a great place. It's great because there's a lot of things you can't do because you're deployed most of the time. Like I'm about to leave out again next year. So just to give you that heads up. So if you don't see me again for 2020, well, I'm gone. But it's a great place and there's a lot of things you can't do because you're never here to use those things. So it is a great place because it has a lot of great things. If you were thinking about coming here, the weather is really wonky right now. It's very, very, very wonky in Texas right now. But it's so wonky, I'm not even gonna garden outside anymore. Today was one of those crazy not cold days, but it wasn't hot either. So I don't want to start seeds outside or anything like that. I'm on leave, so I apologize for all this. I'm usually dapper, but I'm on leave. I've been away for 9 months. I can afford to let my hair down, I guess. But too cold to start seeds out with a continuous like temperature and all that stuff because the weather just keeps fluctuating from like 90 degrees to 30 to 40 to 70 to 80 to back to 30 again. So I decided to try something new. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Is this channel is making a couple of changes. For one, I'm gonna start doing some hydroponic stuff indoors because whenever these temperatures get really, really obscene and stuff like that, then I have to carry my EpiPen because I'm allergic to bees and I don't want to die for some corn or any of that stuff. It's not worth it for corn, or strawberries or, whatever else that I'm trying to grow. So I'm not going to do that. So as you can see behind me, we got Maxi Bloom, some Maxi Grow. I've got the other stuff too, the 3-part series with the Flora Micro and all that stuff, but I don't really like that because I don't have enough time and patience to be mixing and matching and mix and match, all that other stuff. So yeah. And anyway, this channel's always been about simplicity and doing things simple. Now, it was supposed to be about saving money and doing things that way, but everybody's doing that. Everybody can tell you how to save money on all this stuff. I mean, you can see I got Jiffy pellets, and I got this light, which I caught on sale on spoofy.com for like $65. But then I came to think about it. Do I really need all this stuff to do what I'm trying to do? And I feel like with hydroponics, it's actually an easier, more streamlined way to do things. So when I went out, I started researching. Yes, I am one of those guys now. went out and got an AeroGarden for all the money that I was sinking into bags of soil. And yes, there's a community garden over here where I live. However, yeah, I have blue Navajo corn and things like that. I'm not gonna trust some random guy when I'm on deployment to pick my corn. And I'm not gonna trust somebody else to get my corn and do whatever they want. Plus it was $5.95. That's a lot of money for like 6 or 7 little seeds. But anyway, so went out and I got the AeroGarden thing. I kept on convincing myself, like, you know, if they lower the price, then I'll get one. But I got the Classic 6. So I got 2 Classic 6s. So Classic 6 number 2. And with that, the sale that they were doing, you know, this was the little pack that I got the heirloom salad greens, but I've already got enough lettuces. I'm not really hurting for lettuce or heirloom or organic, whatever, you know. And then this is kind of stupid when you think about it, because they gave me the seed starting system, which is great. The problem is it's for Harvest 360. Knowing that I just got a Classic 6, why would you give me a free seed starter for the Harvest 360? So you know what? In a way, it was very smart, because now I got to go back and get a Harvest 360. Tiki O, she actually has a really, I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name, but she has a very, very good and comprehensive video on what you can and cannot do in Classic 6. I'm gonna put this thing together. Hey everybody, welcome back to my show, which still doesn't have a name, unfortunately, 1 whole year later. Anyway, I said I was gonna show you guys this stuff, cut the other video off short. Let's just get into it. Okay, so I did unbox this. Here we are, it's salad seeds. Like I said, I didn't really have need for them, but just gotta show people how to do it, because what if you come to my channel before anybody else's? You just wanna know how to do this stuff. It says open with scissors, but boom, shakalaka, right there. And this is actually some pretty good stuff. I was just expecting, like, I saw other people's videos. They didn't tell what the actual lettuces were. Deer tongue, I always wanted to try that one. Paris Island, Cos, which is romaine, black seed is Simpson, and Rouge de Hiver. I'm just gonna call it Rogue Diver, because that's what it looks like. But yeah, we're gonna plant those, you know. I'm gonna try some Rogue Diver. First, what we need to do, I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can see. This system actually has a couple buttons on there that I have not played with yet. So there's a reset button, I guess, for when you dump your water out and start a whole new garden setup. You can change your presets and all that stuff. I did not plug this in yet, because once you plug it in, it's gonna start vibrating, and I don't really want that in my life right now. So I'm gonna take the lid off so we can see. Lid, Classic 6. Oh wow. And we're gonna start filling. I'm trying to fill this up. This thing is actually taking quite a lot. I did it. It is at the max line, as we can see. Though it probably should have poured it in right there, but like I said, the Rogue Diver. And pop that into lucky spot number 1. That's in there. Marvel of 4 Seasons. Never heard of it, but it must be pretty good because they included it in here. Paris Island, Romaine Cos. I'm only calling it that because when I was originally buying these seeds without the AeroGarden, that's what they called it on eBay. So I'm inclined to believe some guy on eBay other than Miracle Gro. Crazy Miracle. And the deer tongue, yeah, this isn't even sticking on here, so maybe it's like an envelope. Never if I lick it, it'll adhesive itself. Nope. That was determined to be a lie. Oh, you guys really didn't see me put that in there. Now, if I don't mess with it, it should be pretty good. It's just a little latch. If you guys already own it, it just flips right up. You can see it. And I'm gonna do the cap full method because apparently that's what it says to do. When the add plant food reminder comes, which is every 2 weeks. Don't put more than I have to on here. Okay, so I'm gonna shake this up first. Don't know what kind of stuff is in there, but okay. Here's 1 capful. 1. Stuff probably smells horrible. I'm not gonna smell it on camera. 2 capfuls. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, 2 capfuls, and then these are your little heat domes right here. This is what they tell you that you need to put on there to maximize growth and all that stuff. Here's me putting the heat domes on. Humidity dome. Sorry. That one, the deer tongue's gotta be some problems. I can see this now. That's okay. That's why we have Scotch tape. Okay, and that's it. Now, like I said, if you want to go over these buttons, and there's salad greens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select one time. As you can see, change to salad greens. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated throughout this grow and let you guys know for yourself if the AeroGarden is worth your time or mine. So until next time, I will see y'all later, and that's me signing out of here. See ya.